how can you kind of get squashed and then people get these.
I think it's just great.
Got some goal and goal